from any number of voices, any number of perspectives about the recent events in the NFL. And mine comes from that of a sportscaster, covered the league for over 3 decades, a lifelong fan, and a mother of 3 daughters. On Monday morning, I was genuinely excited to come to work and break down what I thought was a fascinating first weekend in the NFL. Instead, I kicked off ESPN's coverage of the horrific Ray Rice elevator video. Meanwhile, one of my daughters has her first fantasy football team this season. But at breakfast this week, instead of discussing how her team was doing, we watched the Ray Rice video play out again in all its ugliness. I spent this week answering seemingly impossible questions about the league's biggest stars. Mom, why did he do that? Why is he in jail? Why didn't he get fired? And yesterday, why don't they even have control of their own players? So here's a question. What does all of this mean for the future? What does it mean for female fans whose dollars are so coveted by the NFL, who make up an estimated 45% of the NFL's fan base? Are fans and our families, are we as parents supposed to compartmentalize everything that's happening? Are we supposed to simply separate a violent game on the field from violent acts off the field? And if we do, what message does that send? So here's some more questions. What exactly does zero tolerance mean to the NFL? What does it mean to the coaches, the GMs, the owners? What about the NFLPA? Will the NFL, in all its power, take the lead on the issue of domestic violence? In the NFL, apparently seeing is believing. If the NFL and the Ravens had to see that video to be moved to significant action, then should those who support the league demand the same, to see action, to see change before believing, as we all wait on the answer to this central question? What exactly does the NFL stand for? NFL